After my last WAWAK video, a customer service representative from WAWAK reached out to me and called me on the phone and talked to me for over an hour. We had a great conversation and I got the scoop, so stay tuned. I learned some things I didn't know about the company, including some things you will want to know about their return policy, how they handle defective items, how product requests work, what their number one category is. That's going to be exciting to find that out. And why do so many people consider WAWAK a family-centered company? And yes, the replacement rollers arrived today, and there was, let's see, where is it? In the box. Yes, those replacements came, and there was the cookie. Hi, I'm Katerina, and I'm Katerina from Create with Katerina, where we talk all things sewing, fabric, creativity, thrifting, organization, bag making, and real life as sewists. Remember these lint rollers remember when I showed you the lint roller and how I couldn't remember I was showing you how stuck this was and how I couldn't get that off and how I couldn't, see how my fingers I can't even do it. And I'm using one of my fingers that has a nail, and it still wouldn't do it. Well, guess what? The owner of WAWAK watched the video, and the owner reached out to customer service and delegated to them to call me and tell me that batch, so it was a batch just like this. I bought a whole case. He said that they were defective from the manufacturer, and that WAWAK had sent back or is sending back all of those batches. So the owner wanted the customer service representative to tell me that they wanted to send me a new case of the ones. And hopefully, he said, all of the bad batch was gone and they want me to try these out and let them know. And guess what? They didn't even ask me. I kept the box in case I needed to return the other ones. And they said, no, don't worry about it. Don't even return them. You can use them or throw them away or whatever. But that they want me to try the new ones to make sure that these aren't still from the bad batch. So I took one out and I kind of did it a little ahead of time so I would save you guys time and you don't have to see me struggling to open a box. So let's see if we're opening this paper. It's nice and sticky, but it's smoother than the last one. So that part's good. Let's tear this part off here and then let's grab this. And oh, it's much easier than the last one, actually. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's see if it stops where it's supposed to stop. Woo, yay! And then let me tear it. I'm going to leave a little part. Oh my gosh, look how nice that was. Wow, okay. Isn't that cool? I'm just so excited. So I'm going to put this new one on this roller. I am so excited. And who would complain about having to return something? But the company sends you a cookie. Now, mind you, this cookie has a lot of calories, so I'll probably have to eat it over 4 days. But whoa, how exciting. So this is the first time I've received a cookie from WAWAK because I've never had anything defective from them. I've been ordering from them for over a year. I haven't had anything wrong. One time my yardstick was missing and they just sent it to me. It wasn't like a defective thing or anything, so they really didn't have to say they were sorry. But got a cookie. How about that? I thought that was just so cool. So I am really excited to report that this is way 100 times better. If you watch my last video, you can agree with me. 100 times better than the other lint roller that I had. So I am really, really excited about that. So now I want to tell you a few things that I learned about the company other than that, which was exciting. But first of all, I want to say that if you're liking my videos, please, a free way that you can help me is by clicking the like button. And you can also subscribe. But I do want you to go watch my journey video first before you subscribe if you have time. So that way you know if I'm a good match for you and if you would like to be on my, follow my channel. So when you leave a comment, and if you watch to the end, if you can leave your little, like we always do, the little thread emoji so that I know that you watch to the end, that really helps me, but it also helps YouTube. What YouTube does is it sees the engagement we have, how many comments I have, how many likes, subscribers on a video. Then they push this video out to more people who are sewing. And that's what we want, right? We want to help as many people as we can. And it's a great way for you guys to help me for free. So anyway, the person that I talked to at WAWAK has been working there for 17 years. And I have some notes. So if I look down, it's only because I don't want to miss one of the great things that I learned from him. So I got the scoop from him. What a kind gentleman he was. And he spent, like I said, an hour on the phone with me. We just had such a great time talking about different things. But he's been working there for 17 years, right? And he told me the day that his very first day that he worked there, he will never forget that day. And the reason he will never forget that first day at work is because he's on the floor with the other customer service. They're all on the floor working. And I guess there must be an upstairs. I don't know if there's an upstairs or what, but the owner of the company walks down, goes into the customer service area, and went over to him and welcomed him by name, knew his name, and welcomed him to the company. And then he goes on to say hi and talking to other people. This made this gentleman feel so seen and heard. And he said that he worked prior to WAWAK. He had many customer service jobs, and he never felt that way. Never an owner or a CEO had ever come, knew his name, or welcomed him other than, the HR director or whoever does that welcome committee or whatever. And I just thought that was really showed the family-centeredness of this company. And that's what he said. He said he felt like he was in a family. Everyone belonged and everyone gets along. And they have just such a great work ethic there. He was very happy with his position there. So I thought that was like really cool. Now let's go on to a couple of very important things that are so good that you don't get with I don't know any other company that does this. Number one, they have a 90-day money-back guarantee. So whatever you buy, if that goes defective within the 90 days, you return it and they will make it right for you. Now, there's a little tip there, a little secret tip in here. If you're buying like a machine or something, like I want to buy a Jiffy steamer, and let's say the Jiffy steamer has a 6-month warranty. I don't know what their warranty is. I'm just saying this for the video. Let's just say that they have a 6-month warranty, and WAWAK is helping me with that first 90 days. And then let's just say on the 100th day, something happens and now the Jiffy machine doesn't work anymore. I don't have to contact the manufacturer. I can contact WAWAK. They will handle my warranty thing with the company. How cool is that? They'll become the liaison between you and the manufacturer. That's just totally amazing. I just love that because it makes life just so much easier if something like that were to happen. Okay. The next thing was, oops, where's my thing? Okay, the next thing is product requests. So let's say you want to order stuff for your sewing business or your quilting company, whatever it is, and they don't have it at WAWAK. Let's just say it's not in their wonderful, awesome catalog that I absolutely love. Let's say they don't have it in here. You can then send a request to, let me do it, customer service at wawak.com and tell them you would like this item. Now, it doesn't mean they can get it right away, but if enough people are requesting the same item, they will make sure that they get it into their inventory. That's something else where you're listening to your customers. This is what I teach businesses, as I've been a business consultant for many years and I've owned several companies, probably more than several. And I still own companies today. And that's the number one thing is how do you make your customers feel, right? Customer service has to always be at the top. You'll always be successful if you do that. And that's why I believe WAWAK is successful. The other thing is that now I got some comments on some of my videos about the catalog. Everyone loves this printed catalog. But there were some people who said, I don't want a printed catalog. Well, guess what? If you don't want the printed one, this entire catalog is on the website. I had no idea. So if you go to the website and you scroll to the bottom where it says, shipping information, ordering, the little down there, the very last little black, there's one that says catalog. And if you click on it, you get a choice of looking at the online catalog or getting the printed catalog. So if you just want to see everything online, or let's just say you didn't bring this with you and you're at a doctor's appointment, you're going, oh my gosh, I'd like to look at some stuff. You can just go on your phone and go right into the catalog and but I bring this with me. I have one of these in my car. But anyway, this is one of the things that you can do. So I just thought that was super cool. Another thing is that when you search, so let's say you know what you want from the catalog and you open it up. Let me open it up to all the bag making supplies. And let's just say I want to order the Chicago screws. I'm just doing it because it's the first thing. And I want to order 8mm D-rings Chicago screws. So the stock number is right here. You take the stock number, you put it into the search bar, and it'll come up for you. And I was always searching by item. So that's, I don't know, you guys are probably smarter than me and know that already, but I didn't know that. And I thought that was just and he said a lot of people don't know. He teaches a lot of people this on the phone because a lot of people will call in orders. So that was a really cool thing. So a lot of people call in their orders. And remember, you can do that. So he says when people call in the order, then he teaches them that if they go on the website, because they'll ask questions like, how do I find this on the website? And then he'll explain this to them, that just type in your number, the SKU, and it will come up, or at least in the top 3. He said sometimes it doesn't always come up exactly, but close enough that you're going to get that really quick. I thought that was so cool. Here's something else. I did a video in one of my videos on all the different ways that you can order. And remember, I showed you in the back, and in case you didn't see that video, I showed you in the back all the ways that you can order. So this is an order form. This is a paper order form. And you can, and these are the different ways you can order: online, on their website, by telephone. And I have a lot of comments on my WAWAK videos that people do order by phone, and he confirmed that. You can do it by mail. You can mail in with a check. They actually take checks. So I have a lot of neighbors who only use checks. They don't use Venmo. They don't have credit cards or anything like that. And they pay everything in cash, but with a check. So this is, they just can fill out the form and mail it in with a check and get their order. The other thing is they have a fax. So this is so funny because I got comments on those videos when I explained, hey, you can fax it in. People are like, what's a fax machine? And other people are like, who would ever use that? Guess what he told me? A lot of people, especially companies, small businesses, they still use the fax. So tailor companies, seamstresses, people like that, they'll sit there and fill out the order form and then they'll fax it in with their credit card information right there. So it does happen. And let's just say that's only 3% of your customers. Guess who you just made happy? 3% of your customers. And remember, we talked about this. I talked with him about this on the phone too. I'm a big firm believer that it's much less expensive to keep a current customer than it is to go find a new one. All right. So if you didn't have this option for 3% of the people, that's the only way that they're going to order from you, you're not going to get those 3% and they're not coming back. Right. So that's a huge, I don't know. I'm just so excited about how much they try to help us. That is just really, really cool. All right. Now the biggest, two more. Let me do the steamer one first. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss what the number one order is. But he went into great detail with me, teaching me about the Jiffy steamers, because I have a handheld steamer that I just do for really quick steams. And then I have a $39 steamer from Walmart, which the first one had a bad valve, which of course Walmart was very nice to replace it and upgrade me. But my goal is to get one of these nice ones. And he explained to me that they're all $218. I just thought that was incredible because he said it didn't matter whether it was a 3/4 gallon tank or a 1 gallon tank. They were both the same price. So I just thought that was super cool. And that's my goal. That's one of my things I want to buy. And so anyway, I just thought that was really nice that he would help me with that. So the last thing is, let me take this out so I don't get confused, so my last tip, which is the most exciting part of all this, was I asked him, what is the biggest thing people order from you? Like, who orders from you the most? What do they order? And he said, bag making supplies. So what that tells me is the #1 category that is ordered from WAWAK are bag making supplies, which tells me that bag making is very popular, which means that bag selling is popular. People wouldn't be making bags if they weren't selling them. So it's a great niche if you want to learn a niche to sew in, is making bags. And so they have all of these amazing things, just pages and pages of bag making supplies. So I just didn't realize how huge. I knew it was a pretty good size niche. And I watch all the videos and the TikToks and the reels and just really cool bags people make, but I didn't really realize how big it actually is. So I just thought that was fascinating. It was such a great conversation. I just felt like it was so cool that, first of all, the owner watched my videos. Thank you so much. If you're watching again, that just makes me on cloud 9, of course. And because we're helping each other, you know? So the great thing, I want to thank you all. If you've watched till this point, I want to thank you so much for watching to the end, because this helps YouTube push the video out as well. But what I want you to understand about that is that these conversations, like when I do this video, the comments would start great conversations. And I learned so much from all of you. And I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for being here. Seeing you on the next video.